The first person also muchilu chrome her about internet threat and insult. Na enya isua de ma the public no. Ewo chrome her John Mahama.
And just so we have a media no so IP man, His Excellency the President, John Mahama, Ghana IP man or 20 Penyah finance we can say media it is full of hate speech. Now those who are interested in giving out hate speech, you better track your IP address near betcho from your location. And no. And I Ghana for it say His Excellency say obi pa edi say ye chenwa any day ma wo ana o se di kai e chewo ede ba sem na ekoso me ma nchire no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media let's say any day mo obe like if video no under my subscribe button so be click the notification icon for latest updates na be chire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section mesra so ba so anu a share for so enya bi ahwe enti mama fa nko akire kakra His Excellency the President John Mahama the bia me can say be say the first time in office not TikTok anyhow and he was so lucky. His Excellency was so lucky. And yes, I can send bia obetra similar okay ka ye no. In fact, ne bia tai fucking. Ne bi ne semina ne nsem kan mu ehidie mu na ebi nye. Is that time not TikTok not social na me popular go TikTok buy no. And some social na be too popular not TikTok bia any that time. Mama memu na TikTok no go TikTok as 2017 any ho. What I say, it's one of my first time there. And then what can no social media and ground crew Gen Z from one TV or be. But yeah, that's all. Record ever. And same be said na Mahama labeled Kufuor and MPP government officials. He labeled them as pigs.
So when they were looking for your vote, President Kufuor, His Excellency, said, we shall open the opportunities of this country to all Ghanaians, irrespective of your party or your ethnic affiliation. Do you remember he said that? So we did the revolution and he came to power. None of the pigs are enjoying. They say some Ghanaians are more Ghanaian than others.
What I say? Mahama was able to label them as pigs. Hey! Pigs, and Braco, pigs. It's young Kevin, tell a man no swear. Good morning, pigs. Let's all refer pigs. Any piglet, MMP before. I goes, it is coming from the master. The master who says statement in free, but and on several occasions, there were a sequence of videos, and as I said, the President, John Mahama, brand new opposition. What Cassan as a Cassituche, what Nenumu.
This election is about the economy, stupid.
So put a paragraph on Airbus to equalize the discussion. I mean, what stupidity is this? You have all those people walking around writing stupid things on social media. It does not affect what happened in the past. And what he says is a bit silly.
But about 4 days ago, Mahama emitted the media, and one got 2 months there be. Social media full of hate speech. It was so not paying you there. Or per se or regulate. The other way you be no or no there were bar or you need so it needs to be making hate speech towards him. It needs to be making hate speech towards him. It's now no National Signal Bureau and a cybersecurity expert for no Omakonya technology be a boama you bet my track your IP address or call or make any comment and as any put all social media. Bet my track location use your IP address and be so my bet you near jail. The end of media, some of which them say, there is Excellency. So be pa di chia, so be di chia. Any dima, they got your once.
The first person also muchilu chrome her about internet threat and insult. Na enya isua de ma the public no. Ewo chrome her John Mahama.
In 1992, there was an election in America. It was between Bill Clinton and George Bush Sr. At that time, the American economy was in recession, the way the Ghanaian economy is in crisis today. And people were talking about immigration, talking about all kinds of useless things. You know what the Clinton people said? It is about the economy, stupid. Today, I'm repeating those words. This election is about the economy, stupid. It's not about all those other useless things.
I was for Muhammad in some body aba. Inti mupini ne.
Oma Penny Mama. Osi obi a obeka hate speech no obema National Signals Bureau abechi no omampeni one kasa ne ka hate speech a one not start here ada orefi achim sakawa orefi ufre whole tribe say omo ya achim sakawa ene obi ka che o say mo ya gonja cartel sa you tag it as hate speech yet your man we mu ena first time muntie 3 omo si omo nya chief justice ejuma omo be dinu no court no ejeli omo u free omo umo amnesty Kevin Taylor ye bench warrant e woni so ye ka his speech then na Kevin Taylor anka enso utimi manu your friend is protection ema ye bench warrant e free so and the President Mama don't find a nice way to try to gag free speech and then enye democracy Arrɛst Ghana youth ana murefi will resist oppressors rule and the uye denya you've benefited from it the ben wabe condemn Kevin Taylor one day say President Mama umi your friends and media encounter ujina say na etwemu no enye ebinu ti say Kevin Taylor na nka wa condemn na manfo say oh when you no ho bi one kasa no what benefited from it and please allow us so yeah start here president yen start here now the emraba say ubegagi your friend is a hate speech o party and I say more catalog of hate speeches are on crop for yeah we need power president we pacho ye di juma she wonsa hwe na ye juma no ya ka 3 years so we focus
na me say ana me kwa na enwo say John Mahama I know sorry no anapana obakasa so oni futufu so oni obi o tunufu ansa obi na nakase mo ojo ngwa won tiase say wo say na obati chamanfo obi obedi obi atemi obi da obachi no obi find location people who pass hate comment or speech really sir John Mahama now we if you say you are a principal beneficiary of such behaviors. We have say Kevin Taylor ne the other people Chini Jonas I've been paying free mind and they and sa NDC ni guy me finding Manasa as zeros 111 omo attempt the dia nobody didn't nanado can some at the fra a chen for no. I don't know some Ghana for the quarter about we if you won't. And now today. Say Obachubi. Ya chen. Why? Ya chen pa. And Obachi Ghana for Obachi papa says Obama. Share something that you hugely benefited. Something that you are a beneficiary. And then what's the name? Obachi chaman for. Who is serious? Channel. Kevin Taylor, judges atama yede bench warrant etono so no oba Ghana no full security na na odebo no oban and we if you own and then be say obi oba bia oba chi no hwe no na be say 2024 2028 our no here also Ghana for ehun the difference between MPP and NDC what na be clear Ghana for no can na omon siase all because of that hate that you people orchestrated against Nana Akufo-Addo any achim for but yeah man as I na achim mafia and achim say who you Mahama you are part of it who can be and also there so obachi obi ya twen ho pa obachi yin na egu what's your say?
President John Mahama, ni decision say, hate speech na the obetisi for IP address na wachichi woman ye. Me say me, asamuna waka na aseme papa because oye beneficially to that adiena or say or babechichi nkofo ho. Na me 2 months was me bon hu dawuru sa akopem se nkofo be hunu say yampa say ono anka say oye beneficiary. And someone will cover a whole tribe atem or more tribe or Ghana. Mema kofo hu nsema will cover omo. Na asemo kan esinana danko akufo do pass o timi kan sa asem no fa atemfo. Na on 2020 response wa nanado eyede. Ede man sa asem na President John Mahama refer to atemfo say omo ye Sakawa boys, a whole tribe to the mum
made by my opponent, Achim Sakawa people. I've not heard any public figure in this country, independent, yourselves or anybody, comment on it. It's completely unacceptable. If I was to get up to make a comment about Northerners or Gunchas, you can imagine the uproar there would be in the country.
A few moments later.
Go to some of the commentaries in the TikToks and others. We have what we call hate speech, incitement to violence. Those are criminal. So I'm sending a signal to Ghanaians that we can find you those doing those hate speech and things. We'll use your IP number, we'll trace you. And when we trace you, we'll deal with you under the criminal code for inciting violence and disturbance.
What's in an ad bank or see a 70 year ya pass it, one TV or baby that say, politician bia, or dimu pan, and I say, what be President Penyah, former President Timmy Catcher, a whole tribe is only a Sakawafu. Nasa one another danko kufuado and a solid yeno or refer to Gonja for or use word the beer. Tese and some fatadema Gonja for can imagine someone Becca, but or can't ask them or mind ye dear or bia moa or bia and cafe, or bia fancy a normal. Now may sometimes hear me di and who ya be say, inti asante for. Any action for into more NDC, so what is NDC or more NDC for any be a D or more tribe on that one to DNA or Chester or more. Because may I come meet me and not party, I'm a don and 10 tribe or woo. It's we NDP Nina or tribe, and as a way NDC for the tribe no a do what because of politics in Diana who you say. And this is Vontiana Muru Fise, Asantefo na Mudi or Matam, Nipa 600,000 at Tomam, Diamond Minister 600,000, Obey Asantefo Mutumam. Enti said, Mudi at Chim for Natamon, Diamond Minister at Chim for Ebi Etomamana. Samson and NPP for, or those a voter region yet a strong word, dear. Nelson said NPP for so my mama warning says, Obi can't for voter region one. No more year because man who grad 2024 me who say as many as 80,000 voters in a Tuma NPP. If you say a treasure South for do NPP. And you say any quasi a use tribe with D will be to go tribe will be any Ghana Hanuma Obekwa Unya both NPP and NDC support a be or honor. This is a mood this our tribe and at the South for or Mutuma dear no bedjine afam. Think to end this if one this assembly for pound, this assembly for some book Kevin Taylor, Pamani back Ghana, a dear terminal back Ghana, some Amano security, guidance, now what's vice president Atinaye, Amana be dinner, and Pony and young judge, Buas and Nobiti America, Eddie dinner tem, a judge and Tiamin, Yaquan, say. Said judge asem wo court na wo ka bia contempt betu na abana judge say ai asem na judge no issue say yen kochi Kevin Taylor na esi echechire mu kire nipa ni ti US wo so wo magana why na nkokochi ni mechechire asem ni mu nkire no as anadwuma na asem yi TV we dia fe mu amasan modidi atem signature ato so obi atimi dibi na omu di matem afi da mu si mu tresi abeche said you take Ghana, the air, have much tracy abeche. Or more Tiabuche, Moon Tracy Quachi Womo. Moon Tracy Namukon Quachi Womo.
I'm Penyah John Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, Wadaroma. Who will be our person tracking her? Uber to me, IP, are tracking there. And the Penyah go outside. Metre, Mimbo Dimbati anyone. Our Muya NDC for almost to me to Yampia. Did you two for name and Penyah that Muninatem just because a choir of us will lead not Nebo Angel so now buying a wasso. What the Sakrata way about there? then those who are also inciting, those who are peddling hate speech, NDC for enenam Dela Edem, me being anudidi, Mampenyida da kufuatem. Meanwhile, Dela Edem yi, Mampenyida da kufuo, unye nyintruno. Before so bedruno krana, ebia, okra de wheelchair no, be a wheelchair no krana obetinemo, be na, bibufu fro krana obetinem. But otumi being anudidi attempt keke because na buying and waso. And nobody is ready to correct them. Onsa bronya ke bi dia makoche no. Na say boys yi kwaye sa de ni bi wo TikTok no. Onsa mochi won. But mo ankasa mo nkọ from ye NDC fo a omudidi MPP fo na tem no de weja won. So if you want this country, obese ye hu say wa amamuo na wubu no enye tit for tat amamuo na fairness no kra na wudidi a, then you must be equal. There must be equal justice for everyone. Na ye de ye ayi kwame no e was say de ye afranto because no one in this country is above the law. No one in this country is above the law. Say nipa ne Ghana ni no nte Ghana o ti abrochire anaso ti baby tokro baby na ban na woso sofo azoka no ye no. What has happened to him? E den na esi hwe kwa mo de abronya e fa so. Aha, esa koto de ne bodwe. Koto de ne bodwe che say must start political witch hunt. Enti sa must start political witch hunt. But motion here because presidents are NDC for are starting leading. No, power doesn't remain forever. Power doesn't remain forever. To say I'm passing when you brewa someone watch ross roll on who dia and yeah, you must be very serious about it. Now obi pia obeyesa obi pia e free sabre na wo yes ade no kura no. Ni 2 days na NDC for bi asan launch attack edidi mpanyifo atem. Enti say no ye ba ma eni ada ho. Yesu e be kasem. Obi ad nani ehwe.
Yeah, mana na ekoso no. Now no President Mahama Kushia media for no say what be kan hate speech and answer obeka hashword bia no. Hashword bia no. Obe use IP number. E dey track o. Mon kan je say order. Mon kan je say me say order. To ontinani. Ontimi track o bia o krum ha. Ontimi. Masa ohena amamu no afon wa ohena presidency no afon wa chairman ko pe ba bi da o. Ko pe ba bi da. Na ye aso nkwa didie. Na wo ko wanyi a ye hu ade bia wa ye. Ko pe ba bi da. Sa wo frɛ media for na unni asem bia no omo kan. What waste to omo ta. Ontimi track obia, ontimi nchi obia. Jai dede no. O sama waka no. O sama, o se akofo ado o die with his age. The way na tintinti and sa no be as a former president. Achim Sakawa boys. You have said all these things. And they do turn. You are panic. You are fear. You are afraid. Nigga, order. Order na tuani. Country any je wa be hia yen no agigi afon so na ye be sika aton wa agigi fon so na kwachi na mtonya men so say ye be bold bians mo dead. What is going on? Country na insecure no nti unhu ana. Insecurity cause country no mu ana. Aw be ba be kan no ho asem no. De hu hia, de ensem fata. Wo fi say hate speech na do ba power. Sa hash words na do ba power. Sa threat na do ba power. Sa cause fear and panic na do ba power. Are you forgot? Are you serious here? Nigga, be serious more. Ghana for nya wodo eto abama wo say be ye Ghana ye wo se Ghana say you according to wo se Ghana say. Into buy no so resetting. Do your resetting. People are suffering, people are dying. Do it. Stop. Forget media for no giant. O bo pa mo mu ye bi. And na do so massa keep quiet. If you can't enjoy it, massa come out from your seat. And your force say better na kunya no so. Ya force o. adufupe ani bre ena de wo bae nti obi amforso so obechi obi. Are you getting serious here? Wuni pana wati obi manso no sori a no di ahemfo atam wo di mpanimfo atam se akofa do fra ko yan so enche eyenya no se cement pe obewu enumpo wakan efa no ho free oba Ghana eda wo declare free masa akwa na obi ahu se obetimi aka de ope a wontimi nya na hwe Ghana no boys no youth no omusua dey to the extent that the obey no tomorrow they will give you back. Nigga, Mr. President, stop that joke. Be serious. Focus how you are going to guard this country. How you are going to build this country. The way we see Kaya no. Focus to say, "Sa reset to bet my reset your man." Nanka wasi si affordable. Why you near my baby Ghana for me abo so na uni why aka. The way the unnecessary. Jaya ni enkasa enko bi kasa nshelu. Leave them to talk. Open so omo kabi omo kasa enkwala nketenkete nyina kasa. Said akufo adu tiba jisika duru. Nobody arrest anybody. Appear stadium to meet the akufo adu atemo Ghana ha. Ya chino akufo so munyano because of building democracy. And I do tell na usro. Say ube isu IP. Ube isu KOI. Nigga, Mr. President, get serious here. Get serious here. Here course no juma na also no e ba bia wo bia o tag me e ba be credit down amount. Mun kan change this in Mahama and say only serious. The country is sinking now. In the Ghana done tourist country. Ntokwa. War. I know the own hunka. And now, Sakwana, I see a friend say, Arrêst to say, when be now, you so only by Penyah be too far. Massa, Uchini. Arrêst to so call yourself Uchini. A dear warrior, warrior say, do a becker for a bar, becker for Baumia Bass and Baumia, a befano, Uchini. And it's a warrior now, Odo Canada Japan, not of Papa, Ebia. Do you expect someone to go and follow Canada Japan? Because we so na bo pa o kasa nkwasi asem no. Hey, ya pekwa be fa so a ampipi be papa o mo bia magimi o. So what Jimmy ntu fa o Jimmy kwatenase. Fa o yere ma o yere nkofuru bi. Na yem fa no o yere bo be kire onyansa what Jimmy too much. What is that? You're here togetherness to build this party. We see one Jimmy. I don't know what Jimmy is. Hey, what only man? Two flag bellers and one are three no more pre flag bellership now. What we followers are and our campaign will be do be at no mammy. I don't know what Jimmy is. I don't know what Jimmy is. Flag beller in you. I feel I'm more yet more home boy the be flag beller. At the end of the no cassette away. They say MPP party no. Musa sell Yambu Triamoka, what I want to say, Yambu Triamoka. You to know, ya, but I said, party member, open Libya, one people more 1 year, Jimmy, and focus. Am I more and this about to the pressure? One year the pa. On pressure, the man on who is a Huna, Mahama Kekano. When Yam swans in someone young Jimmy and Uncle Tras, my young and Muni message, I'm more than one trans. Do tama e be mo message na people pen for my papa kasa ala start jajimie wanyini jajimie eni abre
John Mahama prison dan e so asibika ho prison dan no e so asibika ho se le enya ye bekom e wo so kokode asase 1000 by 1000 sibika ho se le enya bekom na onkrofo na mli bi etwam de ku fado akem na ka je de ho sese na koma hwan de fa koma ye fa mre meme when you didn't send to see prison down, it's trouble money for just as 1000 by 1000. Send a year, you become 100 by 100 assassination. 1000 by 1000, I said 2000 by 2000. Send a year, you become fine. Prison down, it's what I can be dear beyond. You could find them for the maybe a tremble. And the horses and the brother and fans and family. ɛne yɛde nsɛm bɛbɛsa sɛ kufu ade kɔkɔtɔ na adeɛ mu ama wokɔ so kɔkɔgye nsɛnti sɛ ne fɔma kufu ade bɛma na wɔ sɛ ne kɔka wasɛm nti yɛde nsesa ne ma wo why nti amfa sesa ne family mu wo ne yɛde bɛma wo nti prison dan kɔkɔ si bi ka ho ni swa
kyerɛ adwuma me ɛwɔ comment section. Penyah Block Media, Accra.